In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Notion. Making your text readable and neatly displayed in Notion is an essential skill, especially when working with tables and databases. Today, I'll guide you through the process of enabling text wrapping so that long pieces of text are fully visible without disrupting your layout. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make any text in a table cell wrap neatly, keeping your workspace organized and professional. To begin, ensure that you are applying this feature to a column specifically meant for text. This is important because it tells Notion to treat all entries in that column as editable text, giving you full flexibility. Once your column is ready, it's time to add your text. You can either type a fresh passage or paste content from another source. It's important that the text is long enough so that it doesn't fit entirely in the visible cell, as this will clearly demonstrate the wrapping effect. After your text is in place, click directly on the cell where your content resides. Make sure you are in the correct cell within the text column you prepared earlier. This simple action activates the Options menu, which is where you'll find the wrapping setting. Once the menu appears, look for the Wrap option. Enabling this ensures that your text flows to the next line instead of being cut off or extending beyond the cell boundary. This feature is particularly useful when you're working with detailed notes, descriptions, or any content that requires full visibility within the table. Text wrapping in Notion not only improves readability, but also keeps your tables looking clean and professional. It allows you to quickly scan and edit information without scrolling horizontally or dealing with truncated text. Once activated, all long entries in that column will automatically adjust, making your workspace more organized and efficient. You can continue adding content, and Notion will handle the formatting for you, giving a polished look to your database. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to make text wrap in Notion, ensuring that even lengthy entries are fully visible and easy to read. This simple adjustment can significantly enhance your workflow and the visual appeal of your tables. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.